Hey there, Autism Fitness founder and leading the movement for movement, Eric Chesson here, and I have an exciting announcement for you. If you have been ready, if you are now ready, if you're getting ready to become an Autism Fitness Level 1 Certified Pro, this year, 2023, we are keeping the live virtual practical so that if you are anywhere in the world, you can get the hands-on, brains-on, feet-on training that you and your athletes deserve. And in addition to that, I am bringing back the one-day live practical. So if you happen to be in one of the areas that I'm going to be in this year, you can attend in person your live practical day. So again, you get the same hands-on, brains-on, feet-on training, and you can do it in person. So now you have all the options, whether you want to attend virtually from the comfort and sanctity of your own home or school or classroom or clinic or gym, you can do that. And then if you want to join me for one of our select dates and locations, check autismfitness.com certification page. Link is in the description down below. Or if you're watching this via one of my emails, I'm sure I posted the link multiple times there, but really excited about this because we're bringing back the in-person component and keeping the self-paced course. So now we have the absolute best of both worlds, whether you want to attend your practical virtually, whether you want to attend in person with me. Now you can have the exact situation that is ideal for you. So whether I see you virtually or in person, I'll see you as you complete your Autism Fitness Level 1 certification in 2023.